Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if OneDrive is not syncing on your Windows 10 computer. So first thing I do, make sure you have internet connection. So if for some reason you're unable to get onto the internet, just in general, if you try opening up a web browser, then this tutorial will not be for you. You have a network problem at that point. But if this is a OneDrive specific issue here, I'd actually recommend signing out of OneDrive and then just signing back in. That's the first thing I would recommend trying. After that, you can go ahead and also try and install the OneDrive app right to your desktop here. So I will have a link to this in the description of the video. Just go ahead and open up a web browser. And you want to go paste it into the top URL bar here, and you want to search for it. Select either the Start OneDrive option if you can, and then select Open Microsoft OneDrive. And if for some reason it's unable to open, you can select the download button if for some reason it was uninstalled. You can see it down in our system tray here. So you go ahead and enter in your credentials to sign in. And that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing really more to discuss on that. So like I said, pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.